How to fix Snapchat support code SS06 error. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option Apps. From the list of the apps, search for Snapchat. After it appears, launch it. Now click on the option Location. Check in for the option Always. Then head back to the main page of Settings. Click on the option VPN. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected, disconnect to it. Then head back, navigate to the option General. Head over to the option Storage. From the list of the apps, click on Snapchat. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If you have applied all these solutions and still you are having the issue, you have to wait. Wait for a few days and your problem might be fixed. So, these are some fixes for Snapchat support code SS06. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.